I want to see him actually walk around. What's the matter, Fred? What's the matter, Freddie? Is it just too heavy to move?
Look at his stomach hanging out. It like busted through the sweater.
He's stretching it all out, Freddie. It's all stretched out now. He's getting mad. Come on, let's see you do something. Bella, come here. Come see Kitty. Come see Kitty. Are you bored with Kitty?
What? He's like going from rug to rug.
He's just sort of rolling around. Put the lights on, honey. Freddie, are you playing with your sister? He won't even move. Oh, there he finally moved into his kitty cube. Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty, Bella? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Hey, Fred. Bella, where's Kitty? He's still like hopping around on the rug. Bella, where's Kitty? Oh, Freddie, what's the matter? What's the matter, Fred? Bella, come here. Bella, what's Bella have? What does Bella have? Oh, that's a present from Grandma, isn't it? Yes. Come on, Freddie, let's see you do something. I don't think he's gonna move. Where are you going? Just moves from one rug to another. Oh, poor Fred. What's the matter?
Did you take it off him yet?
No, he's trying to pull it off with his back foot now. Now his foot's stuck. Oh, now he's gonna claw the chair. Just to really get us angry. Freddie, stop that.
My
Bella.
sold her sister's house in South Boston for like $3,000. And it's almost on the corner of Elk Street.
What are we gonna do if it pops?
Yeah. About 2 months up from
Oh, puppy.